Welcome back to the KTC Garage. This is the channel where we do all types of DIY projects. One of the problems that I have here with my chop saw, and really my wood miter saw as well, since I don't have this along a wall where I could put a stop at the end, and the reason I would want to stop at one end is so that I can make multiple pieces of the exact same length. For instance, if I were making 4 table legs, I could put a stop right here on how long they were and butt each piece against it and cut, and so that I don't have to measure every time. You get more uniform length, and at the same time it's a lot quicker. And since I don't have that on this saw or my miter saw, either one, what I thought I would do is create a stand that's very similar to the stand that I use to hold my pipe up. And I will put a stop on it that's the same height as my cutting surface. So all I have to do is set it over here on the length that I want and just butt my pipe right up against it, and that way I almost can create a stop similar to what I would use if I had this against the wall with a platform. So that's going to be a great little quick project. It's going to speed up the shop. It's going to make things way easier and more accurate, and I'm all for all of those things. So let's get started. here it is all finished up. This is gonna be great to have where I can set an automatic stop if I have to cut a bunch of pieces the same length. And also I can raise this up at the height of my miter saw, and where I'm using my miter saw on my wood workbench, I can use it for wood as well. And halfway through the project, I had been wanting to make a rack for my grinders, and it made sense to make it all in one. So now it can be used as a rack to hold my grinders, and I can carry it over by my welding table, or I can leave it right here and use it as a backstop, or even bring it over and use it for wood. So great little project. I think that it turned out fantastic. Now I've been coating a lot of things with just clear finish, just clear satin. And the reason I've been doing that is because if I were to put paint on where these grinders go, it would make it sticky where the grinders would have a hard time coming off. So I just clear coated it. It dries in 5 minutes and it's a lot easier than having to worry about priming and painting. And I think it looks great just the way it is. I'm really excited to have this addition to the KTC Garage. Thank you so much for joining me. I will link everything I use in today's video in the description below if you want to go check that out. And don't forget to ring that bell so you get all my future videos. We'll see you in the next one.